Hi everyone. Today we're going to try to remove this switch console for the sunroof of my Toyota Corolla 2016. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. You know, the light switch and the sunroof. So we're going to try to remove it and to see if we can fix it. If not, it will have to be replaced. Okay, we're gonna pry it out. That's how I take it out. Something fell off. Okay. It's already out. And one of the pins came off. Okay. Undo the connectors. Show you. It has 1 and 2 connectors. I'm gonna take it out, see if I can have any access to these here, because due to the heat inside here, they get damaged. I hope I can have access to it so I can fix it. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Okay, here we are. This is just the switch panel for my sunroof. I'll pry this out with these little clips on the side here. Pry them out with a flathead screwdriver to have access to the panel, to the circuit board. Okay, it's like little clips on the side. Then you have the circuit board. It comes right out. Pull it right out. This is how it looks like. It's just a small switch for each end, on and off. You know, open and close for the sunroof. And of course, this is the control connector. What I'm going to do is check for continuity. As you can tell, on the other side, there's nothing to check on. So I'll have to do it on the side of it. It's a very small area here. Check for continuity on there. And what I'm going to do is try to solder them. Make sure they're making good contact. Make sure there's no cold solder joint. I think that's how it's called. And on here too. Okay. On the side here. And then heat it up. Just apply a little more solder. If you can see it. Side here also. Okay. That's already done. Okay, when you talk about mechanical switch, I think this is it. You'll activate, the pin moves up and down, and on the other side. I'm just gonna, I basically spray it, and we'll see how it, how it works out. Spray some contact cleaner, and then I'm using some air so it dries it up.